How to use whiteboards on Zoom PC. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use whiteboards on Zoom PC easily and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Zoom and log into your account. This is the home page, as you can see. Now all what you have to do is go to the top corner, click on my account option, and now it will take you to this page. Go right here and click on whiteboards, and now after it take you to this page, click create right here, new, and you will be able to create a new whiteboard. Now this is the whiteboard. All what you have to use it's very easy. If you want to draw, click here. As you can see, you can draw or write everything right here. And if you want to create a shape, it's very easy also. And if you want to add a line like this, if you want to add the text, click here and you will be able to add a text like this. It's very easy. And if you want, for example, to add a sticky note, click here and you will be able to add a sticky note to your whiteboard. And also if you want to add an image, click here and choose your image from here. It's very easy. And if you want to delete something, click here and start deleting like this. Very easy. And yeah, after you finish, you can click share and share it to your email or to any contact, or you can copy link from here. And if you want, for example, to export it as PDF, go here and click export PDF or PNG if you want. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.